It's okay today if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. Didn't check your messages, left them all unread. Every little expectation sitting in your head. You don't have to answer, you don't have to move. Sometimes doing nothing